Hello viewers, and a special hello to all the aspiring students who wants to do their masters in France. Today I am in Provence and we just came here for a short trip. It's a beautiful day today. So, why do you want to choose France? What is the reason for choosing France for higher education apart from all other countries in Europe? How will I be benefited from studying masters in France? You'll be having all these questions in your mind, and I'm going to tell you all the reasons of why you should choose France and what are the benefits that you're going to gain from doing your higher studies in France. So before answering all these questions, I'm going to take you a little bit back in history. France and India share a long and unique historical relationship that dates back to the 17th century. France's involvement in India began in 1668, where the French East India Company set up its first trading post in Surat. Over time, they established several settlements along the east and west coasts of India, including Pondicherry, Chandernagore, Mahe, Karaikal, and Yanam. Despite their colonial past, France and India have built a very strong and friendly relationship. Coming back to the present day, France and India have built a strategic partnership, collaborating in various fields such as defense, technology, and economic development. There were various scenarios where both countries have collaborated together and continuously supported each other, enhancing security, innovation, and global cooperation. India signed the Rafale fighter jet deal with France on September 2016. Under this agreement, India purchased 36 Rafale jets from Dassault Aviation. And there is another example where France became the first European country to adopt India's Unified Payments Interface (UPI). This initiative was announced during Prime Minister's visit to Paris in July 2023. As you now know the few initiatives taken by both the nations, are you interested to know about the reforms taken by the French government for Indian students? I'm going to tell you about this in the part 2 of this video.